The Law Factor with advocate Clarence Arenas Gandawa.
It's a bright Thursday, greetings of the day. An idea is powerful. A brand, irreplaceable. A contract once signed, shapes futures. But what happens when ideas are stolen? Brands are hijacked and legacies vanish in legal loopholes? Welcome to The Law Factor, where ignorance ends and justice begins. Over to you, advocate.
Thank you, Zola. Greetings to you all. Intellectual property, protecting ideas and creations. Copyright, trademark, patent, these are not academic terms. They are survival tools. Copyright protects expression, the poetry, the pixel, the design. Trademark preserves identity, your logo, your name, your reputation. Patent defends invention. Every mechanism, method, and marvel you build from scratch. Miss the difference, and you don't just lose your work, you lose the war. Copyright, protecting expression. What it is. Copyright protects original works of authorship, text, music, film, software code, choreography, and visual art. It grants the creator exclusive rights to use, reproduce, distribute, or adapt the work. For example, a novelist writes a book. No one can legally reproduce or sell that book without permission. A filmmaker creates a documentary. Copying or streaming it without rights is infringement. Music streaming services pay royalties to artists based on copyright law. Academic institutions use citation and licensing models to avoid infringement. In Eswatini, creators publishing cultural content must secure copyright to protect oral heritage being digitized and commercialized. Trademark, protecting your brand identity. Trademark protects names, logos, slogans, symbols that identify goods or services. It helps consumers distinguish products and helps businesses build trust and value. For example, the Nike swoosh or Apple logo. They are iconic trademarks. They are protected and cannot be used by other businesses. A local agro-business registers Green Harvest as its brand. No competitor in the region can legally use the same name in the same industry. Businesses that don't trademark can be outmaneuvered. Other entities can legally claim and own your name. Startups often lose branding after growing simply because they failed to register their trademark. In Springfield business incubators, students are taught to secure their brand early to prevent infringement or copycat firms. Patent, protecting invention. Patent protects inventions, processes, machines, compositions, or improvements. It provides exclusive rights for a limited time, usually 20 years, incentivizing innovation. For example, a medical researcher develops a new device for rural diagnostics. Patenting it ensures only they or their licensed partners can manufacture or sell it. A tech engineer creates a solar-powered drone for agriculture. Patent registration means competitors can't legally replicate it. Pharmaceutical firms patent drugs to retain market exclusivity before generics are allowed. African innovators must register with regional patent offices. We have like ARIPO or OAPI to protect inventions continentally. Springfield Law Clinic student patents to turn prototypes into IP-driven commercial ventures. Why this matters? Without these protections, creativity becomes vulnerable. Brands can be stolen. Innovation stalls in fear of duplication. With them, legal ownership empowers growth. Ideas become assets. Institutions attract investment, recognition, and influence. This isn't theft by stealth, it's theft by registration. Filed on time, executed flawlessly, now irreversible. The court didn't ignore justice, it acknowledged precision. The law does not protect the careless, it protects the prepared. In Africa, our creators are rising, but creation without protection is exposure. We must act faster, register earlier, defend louder. Knowledge alone isn't enough. Action is the law's language. Because the law doesn't chase, it waits. And when the unregistered genius meets litigation, it doesn't matter how brilliant your idea was, only whether it was legally yours. The law moves forward, you must move with it. Protect your idea before it becomes someone else's asset. Know the law, enforce your rights, guard your genius. Innovation is sacred. Ownership is strategic. Without protection, creativity becomes casualty. Your idea may change the world, but only if the world knows it's yours. Legal knowledge is power, fairness is law, compliance is not negotiable. See you next Thursday.
Springfield Law Clinic, justice defined, rights protected. We are here to serve.